Right guys, so we've just got the pop head. We've got Molten Man from Spider-Man Far From Home, so yeah. Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be unboxing a pop figure. Now this pop figure is from Spider-Man Far From Home. 474 is its number. It's Molten Man right here. Bobblehead figure. And Marvel, as you can see. These are the figures you can get from this Far From Home. Spider-Man hero suit, Spider-Man stealth suit, Spider-Man upgraded suit, MJ, Happy Hogan, Mysterio, Molten Man, which is the one we're reviewing, and Hydro Man. So let's just open it up now. Sorry guys, that part of the recording just cut off. But let's just open this up. Let's pull that back. I want to keep it nice, you know. But oh, this looks so. Oh wow, that looks amazing. Look at his head. Oh my, this guy's really crazy. Look at that lava floor. His arm, his head, lava dripping down from his mouth. We have I don't even know what those are. Yeah, so those are the stuff stuck in his back, like lava. It really does look nice, like I'm being serious. It looks so cool, like all the lava. I like the details on this. Also guys, another thing I like about the Molten Man is the thing going up. I think they have this on a lot of characters. It's just a black outline by here. Looks so cool. Yeah, this is a really cool character. It's my first pop figure as well. So if you do want to see more videos about that, just comment down below or just like the video and I'll see. So yeah. Another really cool thing is how his arm's short here and then really long on this one, which is realistic relating to the movie. Okay guys, so hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. I know it was fun to make and I really like the character I unboxed and stuff. So smash that like button right now and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.